Yo, what's going on guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can get Nulls Brawl, as you can see it here guys, on your iPhone or any iOS you have. It's very easy guys to do. All you have to do is follow all the steps that I'm going to tell you and you will get Nulls Brawl on your iPhone guys. It's very easy to do, as I said. All you have to do now, let's get into the tutorial. All you have to do now is get your device ready for the method. All you have to do now is go to the settings and you should go into battery. Make sure it's in lower mode, like that guys. You should turn it on and then turn it off to make sure it's turned off from lower mode. After you get your device ready guys, now all you have to do is go to this website that I'm going to show you now. This website is explaining how you can download Nulls Brawl on your iPhone guys. You can just copy it and paste it in any browser you use. It's very easy guys. You can just get into this website and then you will find, you go a little bit down and you will find Nulls Brawl there in the website, in the front page. So it's easy guys to do. All you have to do is follow all the steps in the website, then click download on the game, and then you will find the a last step that's showing you what you will do. Sorry guys, now everything is ready to use. So after you do all the steps that is shown in the video or it shows in the website, you will get automatically Nulls Brawl like that guys on your iOS. Yeah, that's it guys, that was the video. I hope you really enjoy it and it was really helpful. I hope you really like it. See you in another video.